Congressman Bishop.
No, I appreciate everything that has been said, and Mr. Akin, I appreciate you using this time, especially with the expertise of those on the subcommittee, to try and explain to the House exactly the details of what we are talking about, because too often we slosh over this. I know I don't know the details as much as I can. What I do know, of course, is that Russia, even though it may not be our biggest threat, is driving much of our decisions, and they're totally revamping their ICBM program. By 2016, 80% new missiles. And the key element here, by everything, is still the concept of a deterrent. There are a lot of people who ask, why are we investing in this kind of stuff when we might not ever use it? And that's the wrong question. The right question is, when is that deterrent used? And the answer to that is every day. Whether we actually fire anything or not, it is important.
Wait, just reclaiming my time. That is an incredibly important point you just said. People are asking the wrong question. It's not when are we using it, because as a deterrent, every day we protect ourselves, we are using it. Is that what you said? And I yield time.
Mr. Akin, I appreciate that, and I can't claim credit. I stole that line from the Commission, who gave their report today. That is what they have said. A deterrent, if it's effective, is in use every day, and that's still important. I wish I could claim credit for having come up with it, but I stole it. It's still true.